E. O. Very good. Oh, what object is this? Yung lumilipad mo sa gabi yun? Cat. Oh, what word is this? Cat. Cat. What object is this? Very good. Read this one? Very good. What object is this? Very good. You read this one? Very good. Next. What object is this? Please. Cup. Cup. Yan. O, you read this one? O, dito na tayo. Senora. O, you read this one na. Huh? Cup. Cup. Ha? Next. O, what object is this? Oh, you read this one. Very good. How about this? What object is this? Ha? Hindi yung sabihin mo yung tumpo lang yung tumpo. Sa English ay cup. Cup. Oh, this one, you read this one? Oh, very good. How about this one? What object is this? Yung tinataniman natin ng flower. Flower. Again, what object is this? Yung lalagyan ng tubig, ay lalagyan ng plants. Pot. You read this one? Oh, very good!